Audio Jungle.
The Singing Bird. Once there was a girl who has a bird that loves to sing. The bird usually sits on a window and sings beautifully. But the girl was a bit rude and didn't like her bird to sing. One day the girl was sleeping and the bird started singing. The girl got disturbed and tied the bird's beak so it would not sing again. The next day when the girl was awake, her mouth was not spitting a single word. She was in pain and could not breathe properly. The whole day she was in that awkward situation. And at night, she suddenly saw that bird and realized that the bird might be suffering from the same situation. She then opened her mouth and set the bird free. In just a few seconds, the girl's mouth becomes back to normal. The moral: do not do or say anything that you cannot bear yourself.